Hey YouTubers, it's Tom, F4 Collector. Got another fantastic review for you. Check it out. It's the new Blackout Graphics Team Hot Wheels truck. Is that not killer or what? Another cool name would have been to call it Smoke Out version. One of them is Max D, Dragon, and of course we have Team Hot Wheels. Card's dated 2014, but it's 2015 right now. Here's some of the other trucks that are out, available for you to buy. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. It does come with a little battle slammer. I know a lot of you kids like them. And taping outside will hopefully you'll pick up the details. And if you feel this, it's raised graphics. Here, let me get a close up. Has a texture feel. You can see the skull, the fire flames, Hot Wheels logo. Back here is a Monster Jam logo. Little tail, whale's tail, fin tip, spoiler, whatever you want to call it. It's all good. Look at those teeth. If you was a customizer, like I am, you'd paint those white drips of blood. That'd be so cool. Other side looks. I tell you, you can feel this, man. It's really cool texture feel. See the top, Hot Wheels. There we go. Black roll cage, underbody. Metal. Everything else is plastic. Axles are metal, obviously. There's a black tires with gold rim trims. Let's put it there. Zoom out a tad bit. You guys let me know what you think about the truck. 0 to 10, I give this truck a 10. I really love the design, plus the whole blackout concept. Some of the other trucks that they're supposed to be doing, Dragon, Max D. One of the trucks I would love to see, the blackout version, higher education. Can you imagine being picked up with this? Man, didn't go to school. Man, kids would think that'd be the bomb. So let's go over here. Look at this. A little more. You guys rate the truck down in the comment. 0, you think it's junk. 10, fantastic.